Here is the mass make de-Sauty bridge. This bridge is used for find the unknown capacitance value. Here is the bridge circuit on the front panel. All the inputs and detectors is inbuilt with this instruments. Here we have the sine wave 1 kilohertz and 20 volt peak to peak amplitude. Here is the bridge circuit. R1 is represented by here, R2 variable is represented here, C2 is represented here, and unknown condensers we have provided some of capacitance over here, and digital null detector is connected here for balancing the bridge. Here we connected all the dotted lines and this sine wave and digital null detector and find the value of the capacitance. Now first of all we will patch the circuit. Switch off the instrument first for the patching. Now connect the sine wave input and set it for 15 volt peak to peak, and around here we get the 15 volt peak to peak. Now connect the digital null detector. Short all the dotted lines in the circuit for make the connections. Connect unknown capacitance, anyone, choose anyone from here. Now the connections is completed. After complete the connections, set the R1 to any value. Here we get the, suppose here. Now change the R2 and C2. Here is the minimum, and we will find the resonance point where we get the near to 0. Here we get 14, then again increases, so we have to return back to 1. Now change the lower value of R2, it is also increases, so we have to, maybe it may be in 0 to 1, so we have to check it for the lower values. That means you can do whether 100 ohm or one position, then change C2 to get the near to 0. Here we have increases. Now again here we increases, so that is the value. Now I will try for this value, increases, then same value. Here we get lower, no effect, then increases, so we get this and this. Here is the minimum resonance value, again increases, lower, then again increases. Then you can calculate. How do we calculate? Here is the 0 and here at 1, that means 100 ohm. R2 is 100 ohm, and for R1 here is the 400, and this is a 330, that means 430 ohm, and C2 at 0.2 microfarad. Put all the value in the formula to find the unknown capacitance. Here in the manual we have provided the formula. C1 is equal to C2 into R2 divided by R1. Here we have put the C2 value, that is 0.2, 100 ohm for R2, R1 is 430. After calculation, we have get 0.04 microfarad, and here we have given the values. Find the percentage error. In this way, we can find the value of unknown capacitance with d Shorty bridge. Thank you.